No
Johnny, it's that
doubt.
time again. Deal of the week. We should have
It
like a
happened
little
so
cool
quickly.
jingle or something. One day we'll get cool and
Some
exciting.
music.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little deal of the week.
Man,
But
saw a
anyways, we're
bunch. Go
there's
ahead.
some deals out there, right, Johnny?
Dude, we saw them go pending. I mean, when you're seeing stuff go pending within a few days in this market, that's telling you that in that buyer's mind, okay, this price overcomes all the uncertainty for me. I'm good. Boom.
Boom. Trigger. A lot of
That's
pendy
it.
deals over the weekend. We
So
have
this
a
one,
fun and
yeah,
interesting one for them today.
full disclosure, bro. I got egg on my face for this one. So how this comes about, and I'm grateful for this. This tells the people about the Coconut Wireless of Maui, right?
Yes.
So last week we just did our regular hula, and in the hot list, Mahina Surf came up, and I made the offhand comment. I think that it's apartment zoned,
Yes.
and I got an
Which is
email.
correct.
It
It is
is.
apartment zoned. Yes.
Now I did get an email from my friend who had just listed a condo in there, and she shared with me her marketing email that I did not spend time reading, and it broke down in the meeting minutes of the Bill 9 discussions where they completely carved out Mahina Surf,
Because of a
verified
variance.
because of a variance. And then they voted in an amendment that approved that. But let's go through all the details to show how confusing it is to where even people like myself who think I know a few things about Maui real estate still learning. So, Juliet, mahalo planning to you and your client for correcting us. And I'm grateful because I really do feel that it is a deal of the week.
So here we go. We're back in West Maui,
Brah.
Johnny. West side, best side.
So close to S turns.
We're zooming in right here. Mahina Surf. Actually,
Yes.
a pretty awesome complex.
Dude, it is. So look at what you're flanked by. Those are two Mac Daddy mansions there. That's what your neighbors are. So you got no other tourists screaming or anything. You're doing the screaming. You're
Kind of
getting
interesting,
the
right?
right.
Two big houses and then the condo right in between, and then
That's it.
Noelani up here, which is also a great condo complex.
Across the street, one of my favorite communities, Kapolani Estates and Show Esterns.
Dun,
So
dun, dun,
why do we
dun.
call Pohaku Beach Park Esterns, guys? Well, we're simple people here. And the road kind of makes like a little S turn there. Literally, that's why we named it. Now, it may
Right.
have been a more defined S in the past, but that's what we named it, and it is that way forever. That is a beach where a lot of beginner surfing begins, lots of longboarding. It is frolic zone for all of the foil dudes out there with the wings and all those types of sports. It turns into a windsurfing paradise when the wind goes on shore and crazy. Just some of the things that I enjoy about it. You've got some restaurants close by. You've got Captain Jack's, which is just up the road at the Sands of Kahana. You've got good sushi at Miso Fat, which is over there. You can see it in the Kahana Manor. You've got Dolly's for great pizza. And dude, Dolly's has changed since Captain Jack's bought it. Like we ordered pizza last night
Mm.
online and it said it was going to be done in 19 minutes. And my daughter did not go pick it up because she said there's no way it's going to be done. It was done in 19 minutes. It used to be an hour and a half.
Wow.
So anyway,
Hot and
Mahina
ready.
Surf. So, what do we like about Mahina Surf? Well, it's an opportunity because of the chaos involved, guys. So, the chaos involved, it's zoned apartment. Show it to him, Danny.
Yes. Here we go.
A1 apartment zoned. So, what do we know about the Minatoya list? Well, that is apartment zone condos that were being able to be vacation rented off of the Minatoya opinion. However, how's it show up on the Minatoya list, Danny?
Here we go.
Well, it shows up on the good portion. Properties allowed to be used for short term occupancy. What is the county zoning there, Danny? Does that say R3?
It says R3.
But I thought it said apartment. So, what the truth is, guys, it was zoned apartment. However, back in the 60s, 70s, when it was built, this condo complex went in and got a legal variance to be grandfathered in for vacation rentals. They did it proper. And I've watched the videos myself where Maui County Council says, yes, that's correct, and they allow it. Now, what question comes to my mind, though, Danny?
Will it
Wasn't
change?
that isn't that how all the Minatoya list condos were allowed to be vacation rented on some sort of variance ordinance, what have you?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm not using the correct terminology.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Have to talk to your
so
sister about that, the lawyer. The
that
legal
that's
terminology.
so whenever there's confusion and uncertainty, people freeze, they don't do anything, and so because of that, let's show them the opportunities, guys.
Here you go.
Yep. Mahina Surf.
So
Used to
there's
be
kind of a three
brown.
pack.
Used to be brown. Now it's green. Now it's gray. Why is that? They completely redid the exterior of the entire complex. The second thing they did was they retrofitted some plumbing. So that's been done as well. And they also separate metered all the units. So now you can go out and get ductless air conditioning units where in the past you could not do so, Danny.
Nice.
Brah.
Lot of upgrades.
Cute unit, bro. And guys, if you're interested in any way whatsoever, I took extensive videos. Happy to send you a G Drive link. This one's a winner.
So ground floor. Some people are about that, some people not. I personally
Yep,
love it. It's pretty
me
awesome to
too.
just stroll right out to the pool,
Totes.
to the waterfront to see the sunset, whatever.
There's no elevator, so you're going to walk stairs. So if you hate stairs, these are the ones for you.
Ground floor. So we have
Brah.
this one.
Yep.
There's
So
also two more.
pool, you've got barbecuing, you got to walk a bit. So this is where the ground floor now becomes another advantage. I pop out my slider door, I walk down the grass, and I hit the barbecuers.
Yeah.
And it looks further than it is, and the view looks less glorious than it is.
So
It's a
here you are.
vibe, man.
If you didn't like that one, the one next door
Yep.
is also for sale.
So the one next
Little,
door is interesting. This one has a FEMA tenant in it. Don't know what they're paying, but they're paying over market rents. We can assure ourselves
oh, there
of
you go.
that.
7,500 a month.
There it is. Now, there may be an opportunity, and I dig in if you're interested, because when they first rolled out benefits to TVRs that would rent to fire victims, they would also lower the taxes, property taxes, and pay for AOAO fees. So I don't know any of this stuff here, guys. I'm just telling you what my knowledge was. So 121 also available. Now, next one.
What do you know about the special assessment, Johnny?
So special assessment is there, and it makes your fees about 2,200 bucks because you are paying off a loan for the plumbing, and you're paying off yet another loan for the exterior siding. I want to say the plumbing adds 200 bucks. The exterior siding added 810. They get paid off, I want to say in 2037. What Juliet shared with me, and I'll butcher this, I'm sure, but there is a period of time, and I want to say it was like March through April or March through May, where if you wanted to, you could pay off the special assessment in its entirety.
Hmm.
Now, some people aren't going to be willing to pay off that assessment for you. The one that we showed you, 122, guys, they paid 750 for that one back a couple of years ago. They're listed at 598 now. They're already taking a bath. There's no room to pay off the assessment. These guys here, I mean, 725 is where they started. They're down to 600. I asked this particular agent if it had been paid off. She shared with me, John, no, it hasn't, but that's why we're priced 225,000 less than what the tax assessed value is. Maybe that was 125. It could be wrong. That
Yeah.
tells me that they're not highly motivated to pay that off.
Yeah, but either way, three options now that are competing against each other. This one might have a little bit better kind of straight on view, if you will.
This would be one of the best views, if you would, in the complex because it is the only one that's direct, if you would. There's still a lawn in front of you.
Very
All the
white,
views are great.
beachy.
Dude, vibey.
So
So
basically, I mean, we got three units now that are pretty much 598, 599, 600, literally competing against each other. A slight differentiation in the view and the condition. One has the renter in it, but if no action happens moving forward, those I would imagine are going to be kind of juggling for position, or they hold out and see how long they can last. At some point, there might be even more blood in the water. Yeah.
How do I write these offers? Man, tough to write at 500 for the ones that are suffering and taking losses, right? But I get that you would want to maybe because you want to position it. But I think starting out at 550, ending up somewhere at 575 ish is how this would potentially play out right now. These
Right
guys
now.
have been reducing fairly quickly. Juliet's started out at a lower price point already, so still got some hope out there that maybe it happens. But for all these reasons, I feel that Mahina Surf is a deal. And another reason that I like about it, Danny, is it had no beach to begin with. It sits a little higher on lava outcropping, which, to me, I dig it because I don't have to deal with sea level rise issues for at least a few more decades, right? So technically, you could snorkel right from there. I know dealing with people that don't live around the ocean, it can be difficult for you to get into the ocean where it's rocky. You're not like us where we have these tough feet or deal with cuts. So maybe reef shoes get you in there. I saw turtles. I watched spinner dolphins. It is prime zone for watching whales and sunsets.
So beautiful.
DOW, right there,
Could
gang.
be
That's
could be
it.
used a few different ways, but with the variance under 600,000, right at 600,000, deal.
These are the outliers. These are the ones that kind of go under people's radar, etc. That's what's up.
And that's why we brought it to your attention. So this week's deal of the week, Mahina Surf 3-pack special. Pick the one you like, pick the view you like. Let's write it up.
Bingo, bango, pickle, mango. Let's go.